Ladies and gentlemen, please give me your attention.
This lesson is called Live Your Life Alive. Right here, right now. Dance like no one's watching. Travel the world. Stay true to yourself. Do something you love every single day. Challenge yourself. Live in the moment. Take more road trips. Take a new way home. Get lost. Remember the phrase, you can do it. Live life out loud. Take a crazy chance. Do something you've always wanted to do. Show the world how great you are. Be the best you can be. If you fail, get up and try again. I hope you've enjoyed this brief lesson. Now get out there and live. Smooth 4.